affordable. Good location and very affordable. This is old building, so don't expect anything more. My only concern is the bed cover. Maybe in the future they will change to a new one. Smiley face, friendly staff. Great service, easy booking. Worth the money you pay. This is an inexpensive hotel located at the center of Namba. Walking distance to food, transportation and shopping centers. The staff are also accommodating. Near Station Namba. I have stayed at this hotel twice, so I recommend it to those who like to stay near Dotonbori and its surroundings. Strategic and comfortable location in my opinion. Great place to stay. Very close to Dotonbori, Namba, Shinsaibashi areas. Room is great. Breakfast is great. Hotel staff is great. Everything is great. Definitely will come back. Good place, highly qualified. Unbeatable location and price. I have read several reviews about how old the place and how small the room is. Yes, it is, but I am okay with that because it's spotless. Initially, I wasn't sure whether I made a right decision to book here, but you will not get the same price at this location, which is at the heart of most of tourist attractions. You named it, Dotonbori, Dendener Town, Kuruman Market, Namba Station, etc. It's fit my busy schedule perfectly and served fair price. Staffs were very helpful even though they don't have a perfect English, but we can manage. Don't expect too much from breakfast. It's a simple bread, boiled eggs, potato salad and coffee/tea, but why do you care? Fancy breakfast is at Kuruman Market, which is just couple minutes away. Can't recommend enough. Solo traveler in Osaka. The room is clean. I booked a non-smoking room, but the room they gave is a smoking room. I should have checked it before entering the room. Nevertheless, the hotel is accessible to the center, especially walking distance to Dotonbori, and I love the locations, plus this is a good value for money. Overall, I loved it and I will surely book again when I get back to Osaka. Excelente Hotel Hermoso White Odo Cerca.